Easy steps: how to swim breaststroke without getting tired. The breaststroke uses a different breathing technique than the other strokes do. So, how do you not get tired when swimming breaststroke? If you follow these steps, you can swim without getting tired. 1. Try to use the tickle breathing technique. The trick is to breathe only as much as you need to. After each arm rotation, save some air in your lungs. This way, you are breathing less often but in larger amounts. The most efficient way of swimming breaststroke is by doing this trickle method. Here's how it works. Take one long breath at the beginning of your swim and save some air in your lungs. Inhale normally through the nose only until your face is underwater. It helps prevent water inhalation. Then start exhaling through the mouth. Your exhale should come out of your mouth in a gentle mist. Aim for the back of your hand and the ends of your fingers. 2. Keep your posture correctly. You swim breaststroke correctly by using a proper body position. So, what is the correct way to swim breaststroke? Bend your knees and legs to fit more easily into the water to get this position. Then move your hips and shoulders in one direction so that your head goes down into the water, with your chin almost onto your chest. This body position makes you less likely to pull with your arms, helps you feel more centered while swimming, and takes a lot of stress off the shoulders and the upper arms. It also helps you keep your head up and your face in the water when you breathe. 3. Pace your swimming day by day. Good breaststroke swimmers are always looking for ways to improve their technique. One tip for good technique is to pace yourself to swim at the right speed. The right speed depends on how your body handles the work. If you swim too fast, it will be too painful and exhausting. Swimming too slowly makes it feel like your arms hang down while everything floats away. 4. Ease up on your kick. When you swim breaststroke correctly, you can help your mind and body by slowing down on your kick. The main reason is that it's hard to glide well if you have to do a lot of work on each stroke. It makes the stroke feel more like a competition than something you do for yourself. As a result, you get tired early on and go out of breath easily because of the amount of work. The only way to cope with this is by slowing down as much as possible on your kick, making it easy to move forward on each stroke without struggling. 5. Practice when get time. When you swim breaststroke correctly, you do the work at a good pace. That means it will take a while before you get tired of the exercise. But that doesn't mean your stamina will stay high for an entire workout. After a while, you'll want to swim again. If this is the case, add another breaststroke lap to your training schedule and try to keep swimming for as long as possible each time out. Try to make your stroke feel more natural by swimming more often during a single workout. And do whatever is necessary to ensure each stroke feels easy and relaxed.